Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to produce an echo from a pre-recorded audio file on MATLAB. As we all know what echo is the reflection of a sound from the surface after some time delay and with lesser magnitude. So to produce an echo on MATLAB, these are the steps which we have to follow. First, we have to load an audio file in MATLAB. So let's just load it. Yes. So the first line is the formality, while the second line is actually the command to upload an audio file in MATLAB. The wave read is the command, whereas in argument I have placed the destination, the location of the audio file which I have recorded earlier. See, it's in wave extension because wave read accept audio file only in wave extension and not any other extension. So this is the first step which we have done. Now the second step is to run the clear sound of the uploaded audio file. So to upload it, we have a command, the sound command. It will produce the sound which we have already recorded. Let's listen it now.
Hello world.
So this is the sound which I have recorded. This is the original sound without any echo because we haven't added any echo in it so far. So this was the second step, and then the third step is to develop an impulse response. So for impulse response, so this matrix represents the impulse response. What I have written inside this matrix, I'll explain when I'll plot this impulse response. It will be a lot easier to understand. So this plot command plots this impulse.
Hello world.
You see there is this plot. We have three output, one of magnitude 1, one of magnitude zero point 0.5 and another one is of magnitude 0.25, and the region between these three output is of 0. So this is what we have written inside. This one represents our first output, second 0.5 and the third one is 0.25, and this represents the zero matrix placed between 1 and 0.5 so that this region remains empty. In this way we have introduced our impulse response in MATLAB, and the next step is to run the convolution in MATLAB. Yes, what is convolution? That's the question. So the convolution is the process involving two signals and producing another signal. So in our case, our audio signal was our input. Our impulse was to our impulse convolves with our audio signal and produces an output which is the echo. So to perform this convolution, let's just complete our code in here. So this convolve command, in which the output is stored in echo. We all know that the output of the convolution will be the echo, and inside I have written my two inputs. One is an impulse input and one is the input which I have recorded earlier. Notice that this is written just uh, to complete what MATLAB asks us to do. It says that y and h must be vectors to perform this convolution, because y was coming up as the two column matrix, so it is sufficient enough to use any one of them at the moment. So that's why the code is written as the y involve all the rows but only first column. So let's just run this. See, this is our output, this was our actual input, and this is our echoed output. The last step is to run the sound of the convolution output, demonstrating the echo effect. So we are again using the same sound command, in which now we are using, instead of y, because y was our original signal, our echo, which is the output signal. So let's listen it.
Hello world.
You see, it's easy to produce an echo through this, um, through our input signal. This was our impulse response, and this is our output signal compared with the input signal. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.